Abusia mama jua mama kwa bebra so mama ni amaudo bison sama ya kekesi ya nyumre abusia ya bani ya de babe somo ensam do so pa na poso ni si ene mo kase ani si empeni for the atuga say ye chip be 7.4 million na bisi na nyumre amanfo en register ye na ene so pa ho a e kina wo mu twa ne nyina mu
ena adwumadie kase bi e de aban mu mpanifo bi ekopie mu e wo bolgatanga na e de adwumadie
Supreme Court mpanifo akwakosi gina e bi menam so owura bi dia tuga se gina sie no a o my God ye court bata Supreme Court akwakosie no e beye dene se owura no a yeyi nadie no aban besa so de na babie wu
anwumere yi nkuntabuo bi efri Kolebu Teaching Hospital yebekọ na yetiemu ye
ya tete se ne ye maame no ne ye nuanom ma bi e wo Kumasi dwom ne call NPP amanyuko na tena yekese won krapompene mantamo ekofa nkrata e de ma yewura Alan Kojo Chirematen
ene Kumawu Patu nso ekoso ewo asen ene mpotamu
na Anglo Go de beto Jason Ranted mamba wo bi atiesi wo mamna ni mu a galamse na wono mo edie menra kronum ne se woni nsese ye ka kire wo entity abato so mpa fam nsam twa fa so chese nipa be edioso enkono 79 ena nwumre wo ma achi wo mo ho
na CPP amanyoko mu so hwan ena ekọ animu so peso him franka edima amanyoko no
abuzafo we ni afoforo pin ya kekese ne se kase ababia wo bia ne ye ba nwumre na ye de ababe som wo obetimi de wadwenche no nsusu ababe kan ho wabra wo kan we social media ya platforms awodo ni nyina so oko Facebook wa Sompa 93.1 FM Sompa 93.1 FM na YouTube Sompa TV Ghana Sompa TV Ghana wadwenche eno nsusu ode bia ho no mabusia yeguso aye be kase ne mambo no ye be kenkan ede amamo mede ede na ya obo Libya boga nyumre mene
nana kwabena kese Sompa 90.7 so ekuramu ewo bono epuoye FM na afesuye nuanom Sompa 98.9 omunyina so ketamu a yede nsam no ebrew
yede asede ma Universal Natural Clinic o se menka ncho se odompe mu pa se buo sa frechie sa to afa ho se stroke na sofi wa Universal Natural Clinic se menka ncho se bray na wo mo emwa na mizo ne 5G no so yeguso a ye no mo pa hode sronko na de ye adwuma bia ye mizo ne ye kanfo de ama wo ne 5G na 3A Herbal Center for the 3A co capsules abedwa so a awusu akoko no se ne yesitie bia ebitutu ase na hyiase e de ama Food and Drugs Authority mpanifo agiatum enye na ewudwa so yenye brain na fe nsam no brodoncho yenko ne kotutu na sere ne abasa emfa emamo ye de mo hyiase de free Ghana card ene ye chip nsam no ho na busua mpanifo e kire se enadue ene mo kase ye chip be 7.4 million ena amanfo enyanko register ye na National Communication Authority mpanifo so hye se ne pa ho a sa chip ni nyina wono mo etwemu a enne anadwo de sa chip 7.4 million no a amanfo enko register ye no wo mo etwa ne nyina mu and am so Sompa FM nsam 12 pence bedu Katarin rantie eko eja ye MTN ye Vodafone ye Airtel Tigo and telecommunication networks ahodo no wo mo eku kase ye Chamber of Telecommunication Networks wo mo epene kwanchefa woda no Dr. Kenashigbe na tena ye ene ne kodi nkomo busa ne se baby ya ba bedroi ya chip mako 7.4 million besi na nwumre ye register ye no e de ade pa eno mo ye e de afa ho na ye ra Kenashigbe e de nsem sei eto Sompa FM nsem twefo anim.
Timeline given was that by the end of today, if you have not registered at all, completed your SIM registration at all, then you would be deactivated. Your number will be barred. So from tomorrow, you will not be able to make a call. You will not be able to receive a call. You will not be able to do SMSs. You will not be able to do data services. You would not have access to your mobile money. Your mobile money would be put into an account, a separate account for you, so that you might have to go through some processes to have access to it, but you will not be able to do mobile money transactions. You might just have to go and collect your money, but you won't be able to do mobile money transactions. But also cognizance of the fact that some people might have applied for the Ghana card but have not received it. So for people like that, or people, maybe somebody you're living in Boku, and so because of the conflict, you might not have been able to get your Ghana card or get the SIM registered. maybe you are not in this country and you are not able to register. All of these people, that information has gone out long ago that you just have to reach out to them. If you reach out to the NTA will then look into your case, and then the NTA would ask the telcos to whitelist your number so your number will not be blocked. That information was put out some time back. So the onus lies on any subscriber that has a peculiar reason why they could not register to make that call to the NTA through all the NTA channels, and the NTA would then advise and direct the telcos on whitelisting your number. But if you don't do that, then you stand the risk of losing your number.
I was going to hear Dr. Kenna Sigbe and yet in Canona Yepene Kwanchefa Wada Chamber of Telecommunication Networks. I don't know what teaching somebody say and Pahua, so check on register ya and yadia call over to me. I text message you to me yebi data and on social media hold on modem phones ye TikTok num Facebook num WhatsApp num Instagram num yadia over to me a day ayebi and ebia o crowd ya dear no se momo kakra wo so mobile money kakra wo so a wono mo eche so mo beje e de free so yes e bia wono mo fa wo mo e de bekwa akoto Bank of Ghana na breso na oya on hihie nyina awie na opel sika no a se ye e bia MTN ana se bia ye Vodafone cash ana se bia ye Airtel godie ne bie wo ma sa sumwade e de ama obiu na busia ye nua kwam redu a eja wo to ye nkra edi free eye kurei mu a wo chini kurei ene ne nutu ene ne nata ehwiansam ede man ye fie ha sei ene ba de sa no wotisim ene networks ahodo no Vodafone office okoho Airtel Tigo okoho MTN office okoho no mu a okohwe ye ene dom a na agitwia kwakogu wo no mo ekwakọ register wo mo chepo na nkoma a woni bi no mo ebo ye kakra nie
they say single registration no mo say your friends ene deadline anamebua deadline no anka wudi shemu a enya adwuma ti omo ano ko MTN office anati go office voda officer ukoye obi bia awia na asa bie na se wabala no na asa de awudi e betu asora adwuma bie me faso ni kwan se yam yes akra yes akra de ehia wo ho e se ye fese de America no wo se ye fese single registration no omugusu aye etwam a wa okuta bia wa anya bi no etwam over hard mako MTN akotigo akovoda ni nyina ma ye
problem kakra ne say like on say o mama ye code or phone no say ye betimi akọ na nkia register but the we just yes aba office eba be biometric ntimi say no no emfaso bi ene so because we bring na ye nkrofo adwuma just say wo sere kwan ansa na wasa aba be join the queue aba be biometric. It's MTN for bit me. I be an also provide enough of office now. I say, one me could be or so I bit my biometric and I see bit my BB away phone so. And you say anytime, I just say back outside back office. I be join queue and can boy pa because we need to be dressed. So and I say, me just say like and you be an a bit me be register because I don't make one. In na yent me into much ma. Ubo cry now then the phone or Aboros can add 19 nano. A be waste and I say bed into money be being found. And last then there was almost higher stand no more be a bit me. I register ne dear.
Me student, my link me in my sim card. So may I be hampan. I come west any time never boy. Yeah, west any time no like maybe plus a month. Yeah, in a month time be boy pan. I can't my 19 that. Yeah, so west any time no so be boy.
I was your phone to where Ghana man this year been no normal G Chico Vodafone Airtel Tigo ne MTN offices asheta Ghana man nyina mo na ye ne bi no dim command no checha the property a esi yenti a bisi ne na omo enyan register wo mo chip a ye se chip be 7.4 million na egumu a bisi na yen register ye yen ko man so ye ne enua kwam redo enkodi nkomo ekoti be se for a professional concern and no kwam ma joy
Madezo Olivia.
Jama open radio bi meboa.
Olivia ma twemu ho kakra.
Ma twemu ho kakra ma me na nkomo no enyede. Ejaw na otisi mu na nti mu kakra. Won ya na aba begu MTN office hono mu no. Na omo se di ade pa na si ye nti a be afinie omo ntimi inform Ghana card enko register wo mo chip wo.
Yo Olivia ma me na wase na kuku aka na office nyina ka je se chief atini nyina ntini eno mu nyana nkomo ne bebo atwade ka se nti ma me nkomanim na de omu nyina ne se Ghana phone to be register omo number ana omo sim card na be peme sa be ni nyina ya ade ba ko kirem se sɛ wokɔ mmeammea biara nipa abɔdɔmpem no ɛwɔ network ahodoɔ no a wobi sɛ obi a deɛ wɔka no sɛ Ghana card kuro yia na adi wɔ mu nyinaa ewu esan sɛ obi wɔ hɔ nom a yɛhyɛ ase sɛ yɛyɛ Ghana card yɛde bɛyɛ same registration no a ɛna ɔhyɛ ase sɛ ɔkɔturu ne din bɛpem nnɛ yi a meka sɛ ɛnyɛ adeɛ a ne nsa atumi aka ne Ghana card no wɔtumi anam so aba abɛyɛ abɛ register ne sim card obi nso so wɔ hɔ nom a wɔse na ade yɛn na ne nsa ɛka ɛnso ɔbaa yɛsan sɛ ɛbere no ɛyɛ ayɛ ntɛpue no nti no na ɛsɛ ɔbɛ nipa abɔdɔmpem no ɔno nso bɛka ho biara ɛno nti ɛnnɛ wɔn a menante wɔn mu so nyinaa network ahodoɔ nyinaa no libya deɛ wɔn nyinaa kan no sɛ Ghana card kuro yi a na eku wɔn ne mu ebi so kyerɛ sɛ nkaban no bɛnya brɛ kakra deɛ ama wɔn ɛsɛ sɛ sim card no ɛno a na wɔn de yɛ mobile money wɔn de hwɛ wɔn ma wɔn biribiara yɛ ma ne wɔn to so ne adeade ne sɛ aba ntɛpue sɛ yɛtwam yi deɛ ɛwɔm sɛ yɛabɔ kɔkɔ akyɛ nanso so no ɛbere ne Ghana card kuro yi a na egyina ɛde wɔn aguo ma saa bere no wie nua aba abɛto wɔn yi nti nka wɔn de adesrɛdeɛ paa na wɔn de to abɛn no mu sɛ ɛbɛyɛ a wɔn nsa atwe ɛbere no mu kakra nsa afa nka ho mpo nso ebetumi anka aban nyi saa ɛda a yɛde ato so adan so a yɛde ato so no mfiri hɔ sɛ de ɛbɛyɛ a nka ɔman yi mu yɛn nyinaa tumi nye free na bere pa mu a wankasa wobɛnya abotire na wɔn nsa bɛka wɔ Ghana card no wokɔ hɔ na sɛ wokɔ register biribi etumi ayɛ tɔɔten ɛde ama wɔn na ɛbrɛ a yɛde tototo so no ɛma nipa pressure ɛbrɛ korɔ na nso sɛ wokɔ office a ɛna yɛ office hɔ nom a wɔn nsa nka card yɛ ɛhefa anaa deɛ ne bɛtumi di adanse ama wɔtumi aregister ɔsɛm a ɛne akɔfa wei abrɛ mu nti libya nsɛm a nnɛ amanfoɔ kan de ne sɛ ɛdɔɔso ne nyinaa no dodoɔ na wɔn de akɔgyina Ghana card a wɔn nsa nka ntumi yɛ registration ɛno na ɛdi wɔn abobo ɛnɛ no.
Ɛgye kwame a ɛna a wɔn baa hɔ nom no na wɔn anya wɔn Ghana card a ɛno nti ɛna ama wɔn aba hɔ nom sɛ wɔn ba bɛ register wɔn chip no anaa Ghana card na wɔn nsa ka sɛ na wɔn ka sɛ Ghana card nti na me ni bi ɛna wɔn abɛgu hɔ nom no wɔn anya bi anaa.
Libya dodoɔ na wɔn wɔ bi a wɔn aba hɔ no kunu sɛ bere no na asan ayɛ ntɛpua obi wɔ hɔ ne nsa kan no deɛ mpo obi wɔ mu a ɛno nko ano ɔkɔ office wɔ ne nsa kan no deɛ obi so na ɔtwe atwam no ne nyinaa mu no woba office ahodoɔ a nipa no abɔ dɔmpem a ɔmo ebia ɛpere sɛ ɛno na ayɛ ntɛpua nti ɔba abɛyɛ ne deɛ ɛno nyinaa ɛka ho ɛna ama wei no asan ato wɔn a ɔmo esu ho edi ho abobo sɛ nka abɛn a ɛbɛyɛ a nko ɔma ɛbere no mu nka ho na ɔmo ntumi ɛnyɛ ɔmo deɛ na ɛnyɛ kamakama ɛbɛyɛ korankora nka abɛn nyi saa ɛso a ɔde to so sɛ yɛbɛtwam yɛbɛn ho ahoa nyinaa no onyi mfiri hɔ na ahotɔ ntumi mmra na mmerɛ pa mu ɔmo ntumi akɔyɛ wɔn deɛ.
Nti wɔn a na egu hɔ nom saa brɛ no a wokɔ hɔ nom deɛ na kyɛ sɛ dodoɔ no a yɛhwɛ wɔn mu a yɛ register wɔn chip no de ma wo no mebo a.
Ɛyɛ dodoɔ na saa ɛna ɔmo nso so ɛkyerɛ wɔn adwene.
Yo kwame o de mi emfa wonsia yɛda se ɛne wada gye anwumre ne nkɔmɔ a wo de ɛbrɛ yɛ nua kwamre du ɛna abusua yɛ kɔ ne nkyɛn no.
Dwumadie kɛseɛ bi kɔ so ɛwɔ Bolgatanga na dwumadie no aseɛ no wɔto nsa frɛ aban mu mpanimfoɔ ahodoɔ pii de wɔhwɛ amammerɛ ne ahensam ho nsɛm so bae ɛpoyɛ mantam no so afoɔ nso ɛba aseɛ bi ɛna afei nso so no America man no nam sini a ɔwɔ ɔman Ghana ha ɛna ɔmo nyinaa ɛkɔpie mu ɛwɔ Bolgatanga na ɔmampani abɛde akyire dwumadie no aseɛ no ɛberɛ a na wɔayɛ amammerɛ ne amanneɛ kama na nanam atena nkonnwa badwa yɛ ɛwɔ Bolgatanga na wɔasiesie baabi kama ɛde ama wɔn mu a na wɔhwɛ ada ne akyire ma nanam atena nkonnwa no ɔmampani abɛde akyire ɛne nsɛmtwerɛfoɔ ɛkyɛ asɛm wei.
I am personally very delighted to join your majesties on the occasion of the commissioning of this renovated Regional House of Chiefs building. On behalf of the government and the people of this region, I wish to thank your majesties and everyone who contributed to make this come to fruition. While thanking the donors, the USAID, I must indicate that I'm not surprised at the gesture by the USAID because it is very much in keeping with what they have been doing in Ghana. They have contributed so much in many spheres of Ghana's development. Let me say to USAID, you are indeed a friend and a partner, and we thank you very much. Your Excellency, members of the Upper East Regional House of Chiefs, honorable ministers, ladies and gentlemen, the MPP government and its tradition have always held the institution of chieftaincy in very high esteem.
Any ya etwaguye ayo mampani abedi eche Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Baumia.
Yeah, the more call my Ghana court about time Supreme Court and then pending focus trasia or more a siege. And Mobeka Shan and so on. Bemreka crane the beto Jasam and Penin and Adudanko Kufado. Was so penin pa what that auditor general no Yera Daniel Domelivo say on for the Juman to more if he say Nintie Ason, Nemra son, say Oko, no Coco Jena Homie, and my papana didn't crack Tangina, Ecoma and Penin and Adudanko Kufado. A judgment in check a crab by Hodie, Nanso Meji. Na mini bie wan na basemu ede otimi fotim wa oro ka wa efo abeti ena akwa bi ka na bro for say man can you ena je say papa Daniel Domlevu wode ahometie de kokoti na fie na mampani na do dan kwa kufa do krata abre no wode ema opani Daniel Domlevu say onkonkoti na fie na ne mraso onko retirement na onkonko gina home no ranum bi tabiri asem no de koda o my Ghana court by Supreme Court mpani for say wo mo entrance no mo fantoto mra no saade na mampani na do dan kwa kufa do ye no e famra kwan so na anase amfamra kwan so enam so be Supreme Court mpani for akwa kwatena asem so a wo mo asigina yese saade no a mampani na do dan kwa kufa do ye no amfamrem ne ni kwan se mampani na do dan kwa kufa do tu sa na mo no a otu ye no enam so ma nipa pi no ahyase edi hu nkomo sentence say ye be ni denie papa Daniel Domlevo yensa nkofa ne mra no meto aso nye na dwuma na anase ye nye ne denie enam so mo panin pa ba ko a wo chairman edakuo bi o mato den say Citizens Movement Against Corruption opani Adam se ne no dia to gya se ebe ye dene se ne ye be kasi ye ko ne akwa papa Daniel Domlevo asa so de na ba amana ba beto na dwuma so se Auditor General e wo mayimo.
Well, I wouldn't use the word vindication, but I would say that we are satisfied that due process has been followed and that the Supreme Court of the land has ruled that indeed this was a travesty. I think civil society was very united on this issue, that it was not right for the Auditor General to have been told to proceed on leave. I mean, the manner the whole thing went, it just did not fit well with our legal framework. And so we are delighted, absolutely delighted, that due process has been followed and the highest court of the land has spoken out on this matter conclusively. Well, we'll need to get Mr. Domlevo and ask him what he wants to do. I guess he has moved on, and it may not be a simple thing to say turning back the tide of time. More likely, you're going to have to look at what we can do moving forward. The beauty of it is that it sends a message to the executive branch of government that one needs to be cautious when there are independent institutions of state set up as a counterbalance, and you begin to, as it were, influence their decisions or their processes. That does not augur well for our democracy. So it's a win for Ghana in terms of the separation of powers and the balance of powers in order to make sure that this country can run well.
Was your penny Adam Sen and no ye penny quancha for that Citizens Movement Against Corruption. Nagina ye penny Daniel Domelivo, man penny and Adu Danko Kuva de Krata man war, so one proceed on leave war, and a seku who doing na, or more anti-asia, or more the Assembly Court Supreme Court to a ne, Supreme Court to penny for Kubu Assembly Seman Penny, Nanamuntuno and Cheye, and Famara Council, and a man for Busa Sang Dia, Papa Daniel Domelivo, say, yes, Uncle Fanemra, no matter what in a Jumana. And the queche say a bay dinner, se papano, Yabesa Quacofona Basu, Baby in a Juma, so the General, so no crano, a ya, Wacopen baby atna, Waped Juma for Fra, ye, into a bed din, see a best action or a dinner ababe Jumanoa, na oye, a day a more mayino.
Afe, young call Colebu Abai, Ayara Sabian Moy. A Juma could be a friend, say, Baby Nest Limited, and a call Colebu Abai, Ayara Sabiano, Emwa. Na a better call Hormono, baby, Yade and Codano eto. Any yawe bia eka enkoda ye de omo to ho na ye hwese betimi agina enkoda no so na ye age enkoda no nkwa na omatimi atenase no eho ene omo koye ekoye nsiesie nema bia eni ho de omo behia wo ho no omo koye ede ma wo mu na Deputy Director of Nursing ewosa atena ye ho no mu no ano eye Dr. Phyllis Box Hamilton one on nkuntabuo ebra samtrofo busa na nsamba akomienu miensa ene wo tere se sa wo hwe cases ahodo ye ba ho no no a eyade se ehadwen ye pa na wo hwe na afekwa na 1200 afibia ene ye cases a eba sa efa honom na eyade se ehadwen na mpokura na sa wo fa no bosome kura mpo no a cases eba honom no ebro be se wa efi se sa atana ye ho no se yare bi ka koda pe ne edimika de naba honom ne yede ne ko ansa na bi omo soso anu kakra na ye pia na ko ba bi a ye de ne beko doc asemni
but in fact the average no be 100 in a month by 1,002 say a higher referral center nti cases are yentumi ye wo baby in fact Kolebu is the last one nti cases are di ba na na che say enye case a betumi aye wo other outlets nti cases na ba ha no cases a emu ye din kakra nti na medenya mi asipa say ye benya mortality na death you know ebe 0.00000.00001 anya adia etasi ti se ebia nipa no akone number bi ma ade no asai kra answer over but who refer no earlier
ene ye twagu ye deputy director of nursing ewo Kolebu aban aresabe bi ehwe enkoda Dr. Phyllis Box Hamilton ana yetene nkan na Babyness Limited pani kwantrefo ya odano Elon K Hodo wono so den sam kakra e mansam trefo
na Babyness no school sunko won kan a preschool ye mofra almost 3 months course 6 years minano yetiti omu se no we mini abe responsible adults and ye no ye say nkola ehun hia pa wo senesi show mu wo bibia and this year ye ya ju se be ba Kolebu abehwe senia omugya ayarehwe wo Kolebu wo mo akasa mu department nkola department ye fine no ye be hu ye no anya ede papa ye nim se omunya mo a kan be ye esenesa and ye ya ju se ye mu akakra be ba Senebeya, every man ha strain, say Nkola Ebia, Sena, Omuja Yarishan, na Omadjin Sono, Abefi, Ome feels so.
Penny kwantrefo edema adwumako ya efene se Babyness Limited Elon K Hodo ana yetene nkan
abusu eguso de mo gina pomudino mo na enne me bosome da etwato da amansai ka wonko United Nations mpanifo yesi wono mo se yemfa mo dawuru ene yema tontun sansan so ne mu kon ema mansai ententi ase se joto enya de papa joto kum nipa joto bese wahrawa joto ebese wo any kwanse nipa esusoso joto no emfa ho say ye 55 say ye king size ye say ye toscanum ne nyina enya de papa e wo say yesusoso kra na mpenifo kire say afi 2015 omotra se e de omani kotwe so omoneti asante modi ne machi no na kese da biada Ghana ma de hia omoso joto edisi wo ma no ene number 4000 da bia wanya joto ne bia no mo a na ne ho eyira no na ene akwakoye da mansai kabom ko United Nations ayesu ono say yemfa modawuro emfa eye jot ho ene hia nwihia se nipa dasani ede no ho ekokoto jot so eni hu a ene yare edi akire eba ne ade no na Sompa FM nsɛmtwɛfo pens badu Qatar mrantie ye se yentinsi montene so ne ne Ghana ma de shebi nkodi nkomo enkobisa wonum se jot eyade a ebeboa ya na na manfo chese bebi o man na ba beduru no enye jot no mu hia eye aduane ekom edi amanfo na jot asem de yemfa ntu baby kra.
That's why I'm saying that you see the right for the box that smokers die young. So as for me, they should ban cigarettes. I'm not printing people they smoke cigarettes, but as for me, it's not good. So they should ban. I think people shouldn't allow to smoke publicly because those who heal also are also affected.
It's not good. It's not good for our health because even it is written on the cigarette box that it can cause harm to your health. So I advise my colleagues out there not to engage themselves in it. Okay.
Oh, for way I can imagine she been my normal cooking common and now more so more bro for the tray and say enya de papa joto enya de papa enya duane ya was ye so soon ti betimi kra no a enka yem ba ne e wo Ghana say na yankwa nkoso so krama ankwa nkofa yade bi amfa amre yen na busia eno akire na Sompa FM nsem 12 pence bedu kata remrante ye say ye mompira pom de adwumaefo ene apom de mpanimfo ne nkobisa wonum say na say na de ne ti a ade na chenchene nchira ye makwan ema company sawodo omotonton jotwo cigarette wo mayimo openimpa wono eneda non communicable diseases ano e watena ya ehwe eyapom de ne ho nsensem openi Lebraham eye Musa echechense musei ede kire yen.
The point is this: there are many advocates who have advocated for that a product that has no benefit. I mean, whatsoever, whichever way you look at it, I mean, it should be banned. I mean, entirely from the world. But unfortunately, that has not been the case because many are citing issues of smuggling and the fact that once something is banned, control is very difficult. So we need to put measures to ensure that people willingly, are able to stop, So the point is the issue of the nicotine, the industry themselves, I mean, the manufacturer themselves knows that is the evil, the intent within the tobacco product. So they, after producing the product, they then inject, the nicotine inside. Just so people are unable to stop smoking. Because they know that when there's nicotine, then once you smoke, then you are hooked to it. So that is the notion. So once nicotine is reduced or is taken from the tobacco product itself, then automatically you have people, having their way through without having to smoke. So tobacco contains about 7,000 chemicals, 7,000, and most of them, about 59% of them are cancer-causing agents. So for us as civil society organizations or advocates, or even public health advocates, we don't seem to recognize the any benefit that whatsoever that there is when it comes to tobacco. But of course, people who smoke will tell you that it gives them some kind of feeling, some kind of appetizer, But of course, all of these are just worldly things,
Abusiancho penimpa wono enehwe non-communicable diseases so watena ya ehwe my Ghana yapom de ho nsensem openi Labram Musa ena yetene kana watch se joto no ayeka wansem sa no yese chemicals be 7,000 ende gumu na sa chemicals ne gum nyina enye madaseni na so se no hwan ena abeka kire daseni se wonya no mo yese bibi di nicotine se de ende gum na ye onya de kakra so wano na koso dem se kridimu a edene so bejai omomunu wi boys ye ya no ejai ense ye ya no ejai ya busa jotofo no hwe obetwea bekọ ho mpa bonom ne ade a enyo no a nicotine na ye ne sa ne so nde wi asingina se yenka ma manfo ntia se joto enye duane joto nya de papa ye wo se odo ho ekokoto so
owura akwasi amu akwata ena ye o man soafo a wo hwe akwan na afenso akwantempon nsam so na wore ne manfo akopie mu ewo asen ene ne mpotamu ebera okọ honom no Honorable Justin Asan Marigold mfimfiri mantam soafo ena afenso mfimfiri mantam wo pani kwankyerefo a ohwe kwantempon ene ne nhyehyɛ ho nsam so na ono so eka ho wura yire Persipan na woka ho ena omo kyerɛ sɛ akwan ahodo a aban no de ne nsa kan ya wonyeye de aban no de ama contract ya wonya nhyase ne ade nyina no ombehwɛ no maye ne simple kra
sa bypass no enye ordinary bypass single double road mekan sa it's ne before better as the bypass no enye bypass aye be ye no single lane kekenaye jahwapo ye yen papa dual carry median them fair near the lights na SC in PP into the people of Asin Central near aggression contract at the back and now giving that instruction one package one aye who almost every the bawo contract and then now one in fact we are and I would say uni dumedia obi easy so don't say me kase senior young media contractor making abandon and chekwa me share nipa ewo akwan isu nyina abo ne asin no say senior contractor no site wo ye kuma and all the sites there are so many places aguma ekoso yesterday how goes aguma 2020, 2021, 2022. Completion stage. Come on, you can say one baby end of 2023. Until pressman, money and now. You're putting if you have your bridge can see it back one you do in America and you from once. You might be a cost for central region, you might be a cost for as in no. Now you might be a cost because you're planning until a crime so about a crime who assembled there will be to the people about.
Yewura kwasia mu akwata ewie no amana nso ho an wo tere se wakai pa January bosom de toso enson NDC amanyoko no edi dwumadie bi etintem so wo ho na omugya sunsum bi wo ho na sunsum no obeka ho asam.
Politicians, we must be serious. And say politicians, you need respect for the people of this country. This money, what is the interest of these people? What is the interest of these people? So, on sign a bahabiwa near Okan, you be signing, sir, or this cannot come a Diana or the year, or this cannot have been a bag, the Diana or year. This country, our politicians, when I'm political, when I'm Scotty, when I'm here, that is not the interest of the people of this country. The people of this country want to see the completion of the infrastructure. In same one man, on the call Japan, Ekodiscan. There or call Japan, Ekodiscan. This project is for the government of President Akufo-Addo from very beginning to the end. Okay.
Yewura kwasia mu akwata na yetene nka na wo wie ye no ano. Deputy in charge of protocol ewo mampani atraye wopani osan hwe anim se asen central ho no mabato mpasua no so no obesini manfo anamu ewo marase betwamu ne den ene ewura Hopson anaso hopeful na wode sam kakra e masam trofo
sem kese pa ya sem de se ye behwe a anopa tututu ye nyina ye kan ho bom ehia honorable minister for roads honorable Mapata and then penny for from highways any urban roads feeder roads obia ba no mo baya almost 78 omba behwe asenko so bypass na ye behwe a ye call the bypass no e hye eye police barrier ho em ye church ensem any baby a sese a kwan no tibiate so ampa empenim for aye ejuma kese pa honorable Ken wa ye ejuma sono ye first national vice Chemabute enso aye pa MC enso aye ejuma na braso se ye enso kakra ye betumi aye no ye puso ahoma ma empenifo ebehwe nti ende honorable minister asonye emane bai oba ya ye cheche nnememu de kokosi ni se sia no mama ne mpanimfo go ahead se omonhwe na kwan na nimanu ya no omboa na yenye kwan no nti no ende se mumu se honorable minister baya na edwumadi a obabedi ye ye besre ene mpaibo se ye nyina ye beka yeti abom na ayeko na yaboa ma mpanimfo a ombeba ba ye edwuma no ebekọ so wano ama osu ene osenman apane.
Yeah, come on, so you're live. It was Sompa 90.7, Sompa 98.9. And then you may know in Sabri Macassine, Gusua, Edemano, Yakoya anymore, and some from.
I was here the more call NPP, man, you could not try a cassia one crap component, Momonichas and Anofiada, and Omobi Mutu, Honomos, run Momope President, Yedi, NPP, man, you couldn't mean Aranco, no more for Moncrat, and Yoka, now Kutausika. 50,000 Ghana cedis connected to one 500 million. Na di akwa ko jenkrata na di akwa ko ma womu wo mo epe president ye di no enu mu bie mu ya tete se nipa ben wonchi o se nkono na enne anwumre ye ti a ye kase de wo mo akọ party na tena ye akwa ko fankrata na bi enne na emfa ho ene ne sasabro ya bro akoto gyenyine chi na bro abo moden ye brobro yi puma kwamu a yewura alanko dwokyeremate alankahye kane soafo a na ohwe ma yi mfidi nwuma ne dwede ho nsensem so eja okofa nkrata na enye ono ne koye yese ye ma menma dwadifo a ebi efira santimantama sei ene Ghana fa na pi ene kikabo mu a ene omokofa nkrata no ede ma ye papa alanko dwokyeremate na abna sewa ena edi womanim ekofa nkrata no edema yewura alanko dwokyerematen na ensemu a wode to nsentwefo anim kakra nie
na yewura alanko dwokyerematen bi obi anim se we dwadie ehwene iti my time ade to ye ni wo Kumasi job no wanya ye obeboa ye pa nti yeso yese ne bose se nana kufu ado ebreso na wo transe a yenim se yewura ne beba na ne krata de ye ma no kwan kra mo no kra wonkonkoyi yenya ebedi diska na ye de akwakoyi krata no ama no ampa so boom any dwadifo nyina kan boom ami agigi sika enya more than 1 billion titi sika na America na manyini titi kan ya ba enti agigi sika de wie ye no and ye de call bank and ye de kokotua na 500 million titi de no and ye kokotua and ye ade receipt and ye de aba said ba be yi krata akoma yewura line no de abegira o man Ghana nam I the president no amaye say eti obia nim say edwadi asam de ye pa line de on tutu asakra na santi na ma ba ye say no yeso ahemafo na edwadifo nyina ye di so a yakotofo ya beto ye say de tofo so no e de ama ye papa na ye papa de obia ntua say ono de ne de ye edwadifo ma de oni ye ho abro na Ghana ha bibia so be ko ye edwadie e first sa man we se dwadie nim kura nka yentim ko yenim se eti se da oba ya wasi ama dwadie aye fe na sai unique no ama ye ni age ho papa
Abjafo we nana sewa bna sewa de yete ne nkanti ye ma menema dwadifo a ebifira santamantama se Kumase ene Ghana fa na nyina omo keka sika bomu a ene omo kwa MPP amanyuku na tana yekese won krapompene mantemo ekofa forms wo ede ma yewura alanko dwokyeremate no omo cheche ni nti a womo a ene keka sika bomu kofa forms so ede ma ye papa alanko dwokyeremate na busu omo fa nkrata no wie ya ene ne ewuti do ye papa alanko dwokyeremate ne fie santan no omo koye ede nkrata ne kose ne nsem na oji ya ene ne campaign manager na ohinintu ede nsem sei eto nsem twefo anim
semu a mo kan ya mo de shebo se ebere no dura yewura lanchamaten de mo ana mo di kan abeji forms atua hoka ede ama no na abegina se MPP Frank Etufo ene Ghana president no yenso ye ni so ye ni di wura lanchamaten campaign anim anunti na se di nkomo no ya bo amomo abeduru ha nti no amanye ewu ne se ye bo party mpanyimfo amane pani a ohwe party abato ene ehundahuno ene nyansesua ehwehwehwe mu eso research woni me wofaase Evans ni mako ura yamo a oye ohwehwefo pani a wo ha general secretary ne buafo soronko yaba se ohima odi Kumasi tomatoes agadifuo ekan yana na comfort sewa ono emotimi donko se ono na meyi na kire mo a ahimafo ne yura
Abjafo pani nana ohininto ni ete ne nke won na campaign manager edema yen papa alanko dwokyerematen ne campaign na
Dr. Ozzy Nathan Kwame Nkrumah ebrebia etwamu no na waye vice chairman CPP amanyoku no na ono soso aka no ho ne nyina kire se opese ohim franka edema CPP amanyoku no mobeka ya na akosua frempoma sapon koma nso atwenete dendenden ya wono nso ekofa na krata na otwemu a yekenka mu asem edema ho na ebra Dr. Ozzy efa na krata wiye asalam down na wonen samtwofo edin komo no oje mu sei
very maybe low-key promote, but I've been active since 1980 in the Pan-African circles as well. So I'm well known with the Pan-African circles around the world, in America, in Canada, in Caribbean, in Europe, and so forth. So, but I haven't been very active here since 1980, but I've been active to serve the African interests everywhere. A lot of Ghanaians urged me that I should come and stand, and if the zeal I have for Africa is devoted or focused for 1 or 2 terms to serve Ghanaians, we will change the history of Ghana forever. So I hope this excitement will bring every floating voter and every actual voter who may have supported the other parties to come home and vote for the mother party, because this is the party where Ghana started. CPP is the party that gave birth to Ghana. So I'm inviting you all to come home and let us give Ghana another chance with CPP, with an independent CPP especially. Ghana will prosper and the youth will do well. The jobs will be more than we can handle. I believe everything will be upside down. And that's why I'm excited to announce my standing for the flag bearer, for CPP, not just to be the flag bearer, but I want to bring CPP to Flagstaff House. I want to see as many members in Parliament as possible, and I believe the future is very promising.
Kane Dwemtani abedi echire ma CPP abanyoko no Dr. Onze Nathan Kwame Nkrumah.
Say demo kwa say no for bottom person so mama no to assess say the abato no nya die dem e baso ane sa wa say no for bottom person so ye twene ye sa abato comments and penifo di date beba na crop party ya ye be kwa say no for bottom person so ma by election no abaso ni nyina e yo momra se be dwane no abu James Jechi Kwesinia o eja Supreme Court penifo ahye se empam no mfiri mra se be fiem officer no wote no okuta krata se Ghana ni ese kuta krata se Canada ni na je se wono no obo that the fa ufri enti apam na firi mrase ge fiem wono mo a wo ma ye nhyehyeye se o mo nkoto aba ewo ase no for bottom pesu aso nyimrase ge ne efoforo emfa emma wunum ewo eye omaye mo na abato no a eba so no na mranche de maba wa ku wa MPP amanyuku no mo e de atugya se omodopen se kwan bia so wo mo kwa ase no fo no makwa akogye akonya no te se ne omoba kumu wa bottom pesu aso esa baji wono mo akonya National Youth Organizer edema MPP amanyuku no Salam Mustafa.
Man who falls within our wing, and we know he will serve his people. Very soon there will be another by-election in the Asin North constituency. Yes. We are ready for it. This past weekend I was in the constituency and I was amazed at the level of development that this government has undertaken there. Superb first-class roads, beautiful astroturf, water projects, schools, just to mention but a few. We are going to Asin North, and let me make a bold declaration that we are going to win. Yes. We are going to win it hands down, just like we did in the Kumewu by-election. About a month ago, the National Youth Wing, under my leadership, took to the road and toured all 16 regions of the country. We did so with a firm believe that horses and chariots are prepared ahead of battles, and every good army will not relent or joke around its preparation ahead of duty. We therefore went round to shake up our structures, that is, constituency and regional youth wings, and also met with ordinary party members, youth groups.
Abja for Salam Mustafa mana anso no akire eno o hyebo se mampani na nado dan kwaku for the wom so mani mo ye denede na nso ne nyina mu no mpunjujuma wo so ye wo beye ne nyina mo mani mu aye kama.
Not to us that this government led by Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo has done so much that no administration in the history of Ghana can beat in terms of infrastructural development. Our media friends, for the want of time, we cannot enumerate all the projects being done by this government, but let me highlight a few. The recently held 66th Independence Anniversary Parade in Ho was held at the plush new Youth Resource Center constructed by this government, overlooking the mountains in Volta. Very beautiful. Whole township roads, which the NDC couldn't do, have been done by this Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo government. A 1D1F factory in Adaklu producing ethanol has been established under this government. Ladies and gentlemen, all these are in the Volta region, where the NDC described as their World Bank.
Abja for where Salam Mustafa ye National Youth Organizer the most no ko MPP amanyuko ni yete nka we mra ene emrante dem aba wako we MPP amanyuko no ye nsantwefo nhie mu na enema hodo bi a akokoso na omo edidi nkomode afa ho
na nsantwefo nhie mu die na bi nso ekoso wa ndi samanyuko no afam ewo asante mantem ha sei omasem omo kan nyina no eye tie Mantam to for penny edema and this amanyoko no doctor Amwakohene then some of the man some for etrese so I'm interchange no Ghana for train
by the MPP was not well thought through and it's only a panic reaction from the massive vote loss and voter apathy they witnessed at Kumawu. You all recall that after the Kumawu by-election, the MPP, upon the massive vote buying, the sharing of goodies, and the share abuse of incumbency, recorded only 304 votes or new votes in addition to what they had in 2020. We on the other side, on the NDC, recorded a whooping 1,284 new votes. And upon analysis of these figures, they are panicking. That is why they are all over the space trying to do all they can in order to remedy the situation. But there is no remedy to this situation. And they should just prepare to hand over power come 2024. I'm saying this because, one, their rigging machinery was woefully exposed during the Kumawu by-election. You all recall that right after the Kumawu by-election, they churned out some single-digit figures of 3, 4, 8, whatsoever figures into the media space in an attempt to deceive the public. Yes, they shamelessly presented pink sheets with these single-digit figures to the coalition center. Unfortunately for them, they met a very robust coalition set up by the NDC. We had our pink sheets, and on reconciliation with the NDC pink sheets and the EC pink sheets, you realize that the certified results had no single-digit vote recorded for the NDC.
I was a friend from Anglo Gold Ashanti, so one matana ye na momoni to say no de betu manim say yes emrante bi go obo ase ya tie si o mamana animu a gada wonu mu die eche krui and I'm so be dru baabi no na chese yese mrante no akwa ka mananimu a ewose ye kɔ ne yekoko yi wonum e ma posifo ne asojafo nyina kugu wonum se kwane a mrante ne maba wa na ewo boase abonten so fa so ekopie Anglo Gold Ashanti fo no wo mo amenamu a na wo esesa goldu esesa wo magapade ne mfamra kwan so enti na chese akwa chese wo makwa bokro no enti emra amna ne yete se abu agum na wo maka mu onu a ekwan na ba be ba akopɛ aposifo ne asojafo akwa gina wonum se wa obepie bia no wo mo ebechi wo no na gesa akwa yire dia mamrante ne maba wa no asase ne yete se dipa na aka mrenim no na ne number 300 na enwumre entiti abato Sompa FM nsem twefa pono so chese dipa be 79 na apie ede efram ananimu a aposifo ne asojafo achi wonu a wo ede wo kwa akogina emra no na oba pani a okọ oboase west abato mpesua so a wo pe MP die ewo NDC amanyuku ni dimu eja asem ne hyase enra edu babi na akwa atwema mentwe ene give and take ya edu babi asojafo kra esane tuo ede gu wiemu ne adeade no ano wo ne tutu amerika kɔ hɔ no mu a emrante na ne achi wonu no okoye nhyehyɛ miema wo no mu belie na enne wo ne Sompa FM nsem twefo nkoma wacheche mu pa sa nipa 79 no a ene yeso wo mapie no ade cropoti a ye de ye wunum ende se mpo a wo mo ebenya belia ni nyina no wacheche mu kakra de akere ye
nyina no say employment situation ewo prom ha no e very poor youth ni eni adwuma de na yankan ho say nye penonko a enidi anything say mo edie na se na mo de training center for the youth training center no enipa no ebekwa beko training nipa no be 4,000 5,000 6,000 ninia ebi no wa be na wa kwa ku training no ye talk do ho no nenkola na aka no na wo say samba back because almost wo mumpie omo bepia na omo nyano ma ye di kan che omo no ya ye tinya ma omo balance na omo pie me no ka say die enu ano ebi mu ka do ho underground ho ntenyo me be 8 na ye no omo kata ya na omo bai ebefofo basita edi provide ma omo entino tetia me no kata die in fact ye 38 no ye one ye hu say different people ka omo ka ho so aba dia ye yi omo nya no mu kuta issue ne drink adanya omo pe omo ba di abra wu nya ma no oh anwa die na die possible after ye nya ni mo no yɛpɛ asomdwie ɛbɛyɛ asomdwie bɛba ɔboato wɛ nti ɛno ano de nyankopɔn atom polisifoɔ no boa yɛ assembly members boa yɛ who be identify nipa nipa 5 ano yɛ ha ɔmo bio nti no akɔnya bae ma ɔmo nyinaa for the exception of 10 people ɔmo di ka do ɔmo ba yɛ ɔmo no yɛ remind wɔn a ɔmo to 2 weeks time na yɛ ɔmo bɛhwɛ deɛ ɔmo bɛtinya onyankopɔn adom amene ne ho kyerɛ obi a ɛhyɛ mu di ɔmo nyinaa fi
abusafo wei ɛyɛ maame Faustina ɛyɛ Fosti Love ni di no say love so Fosti Love apia Kenin a ope NDC ye mrasibe dwani adie wo Boase West abaton pesu aso ne yete nenken
afei tie ahodwe sembi ya efiri ewutu senya is ebai efiri emfimfiri mantam emu yenua ba bia wanya mfinsia edunsia bibinti yamfa ne din entudwa ba bia sesia na pomuden gya no senyankopon anya adom a wanhwe ya asam no ebeya asam kese pa de magana fo nyina na eye bibi yesusu se wopani Stephen Esel ya waye ne stepfather wanya mfinsia no aduanan mienu na wanyemo akoda yi na ebra wanyemo akoda na akoda nkire se da bi miko school enti papa wadawroma wo de steps na wanyemye enti beya yenko yinyensa ningu se beya menya kwane mahumanim e wa abrabo no mu na ebra akoda mfinsia dunsia no ka asam kire ne stepfather ora Stephen no sadi asemo parike se kan e de keka akoda no kakra na akoda no edi bum na ekopie mu e wo kasoa ofanko Black Gate honum a na ebra okopie mu e wo honum no na kakra akra mpanifo chese da bi sadi ne masitiye no se yamfa na nko hospital ne ade a ebe ha adwunto mu di kale ne fa ofanko district police commander honum na opani tete na no a kakra akra no se da bi we de mu yamfa nko ayi hospital ne ntimi hwesa ba ya o chena bi no na ya hwe de to honum adan ya ne nyina no stepfather wanyema koda wanya mfinsia edunsia amanfo asasem no mampanifo ene mrewa ne nkokora obi e ka ho asem bi na wo de tewaso din ne tiensam a akora nde maye
odi sikan pacha wa sikan first one actually ko shedi mo di we draw wamba no de bumpo me na so bubu nyego se ba mi tumi ko bi anko kanchobi nti obubu ngo me pan e chano bi ka so tade nti okay, me so be so that no okoshe ni pano joba no fast kan ntimi mi so mu no e twa mi sa sim so ka tem sim ni na mi so mo bo no o di twa mi nti o twa mi sa first one o twa no obi sa ba so that ntimi mi lucky die na echi ba de we are not no na wo de no me pia kra empia afi no pia gate no bu gate ni no sa ba de mo o di sikan de yo atini nti kromo bia so no elanga de ni kofa ni dansansa di Steven Esel ba di obi a defend your kofa o de twitwa mensa no basa e twitwa akese to mo pam ye ba cham gina form 3
erade hu ye mbobo na ontu ye gidi mbo
Obviously, ya twaso ne yadom akọ bono mantem no na bono regional minister ma Majesi na wo bana hene no wosre sika krabia hodo no a ahyeta wo bono mantem no nyina si ye kuro mu a yetie ye kuro yi mu he o yire so paso se de ye ne se bi yanko suku ye ne abodua ye bie ye ne tete ye nkro nkoma mu ne ade no ye ne ye doso enti se banks no kwa na chenchene a ene ye se digita asem no no mo de wo mani ko ho basa no a na se ye ne yanko suku ye ne nkurasefo ene yenom na bodua ye ne ye na omo yakwa koyi afrim to besre se sikakrab ya hodo no nye ne nhyehye se yensusu a yentime anya kwai anko suku no ombetima ye nhyehye bi dia man ne kobase bi a brano ye hia dwete kakra e de afiri omo nsam e de akwa kosi enwumam de akwa koyi adwuma e de akwa kotiti ye ba bi a eho no mokeka ye ne a etimi aye wano ne ntem so e de amaye o de san nsam tu gya wabre ne sikakrab ya hodo a hyeta obono mantem ne mpotamu wode omo ebotu woman kakra
nti ebiem nuanom bank fo mesrese yedem se kromu de mo bie bank na hodo bebre ne mo makọ aka ye kro nkuma no mesre mo se ye kro nkuma mo wo ye ha no ye mpotem ha no mo bie bank ni bi se nye bank kakrakra me fa se ye fe bi police station eti ba bi won ma enye police station ye fe bi police post enti bank post and cash outlets se sika kraba be kakra o nkro nkumani se be ya bonga ka se it will whip the interest of the customers ebe man ye nuanu mo anya ni gini nda so e wo bank mu onye sika emfa se eso ana se so o de akoto
ye bi bank kakra saa wo nkronkuma nso a ebe bo amasika kakra bi obi benya bia no ne komba so do kwakosie na se bi ne ho no mu a onya ya twu na se odi ebiem so masasem se so bi ne tika kwato bank na se bia wo twem na se wo kɔ na akonfo ko bota no ba ko mienu a na dwebe se tel bi kura mo na mo ne nkofo ne bi na ne saa amambofo yi abomu a omo yesa
Mame Justina Awoba na hene Bono regional minister.
Yanko NPP amanyoko no ensemu. Wani a woton NPP amanyoko no ensem e wo Ghana ha se baako wura Awal Mohammed. Wona ne nsem trofo edin ko no wo kire se wo ya aban adwumayani na aban eka kire wo se wonim dia ne wadwe ne wonyansa a wode ye adwuma fa ne sunsum krata ye fe ne se CV no bra. Na no nkyese bia obi tete obi fa ahodie so nyina ye yom ntra.
Mpanimfo a omoye adwuma ewa aban mu omunyina na ye kan say ye pay omo CV Public Services Commission and a letter no koi a free Public Services Commission and a call every state agency local government for Ghana Health Service for Ghana Education Service for almost every single aban adwuma bia mpanimfo omo ye senior managers and I say obi anfa ne CV and submitting Oma Public Services Commission na Oma for the presidency and no na ye letter no. So a mischief and for a person player or cancer president say yemfa adianembra because the president didn't write to any institution one trauma institution bia or throw letter no at the command Public Services Commission obibia fan ejuma in the public service bia including electoral commission you know I was say uko public service na uko ye interview na mu certify or answer to wetimi aye nti na enyem fumso bia nipa na otua o kan se fa o CV no ebra na menhwe nti enyem fumso bia na obia ya ye kan se ebia easy for nkwa na ye agi o mu CV nti agi o mu CV a no kire se the person compromise ejuma o mu ye enya no kre we no presidency and the request na by presidency fa request na omo nshada enchre di ntia omo ye omo agi no through Public Services Commission yesi fabra enu nchre se ebia ye director say ye adwuma we anase ye adwuma we nipa na otua wo kan se fa o CV ne bra na yenhwe ye staff rationalization again the corporate governance accepted staff rationalization in ekeka ho enti emfuso bie ni de siye no omo pese omo play mischief and answer omo bibia kire se ye pese ye kire easy adwuma omo ye no ye say submit CV a obi anka say ye director say ye adwuma we and say ye adwuma we nipa na otua o ka say fa o CV bra na kanina bo fa koma we HR na onfang Public Services Commission omofa wa adwuma on behalf of government of Ghana no na ye mfambra ye presidency for onward movement to a cabinet na you take a policy decision on this government in this country
Yura Awal Mohammed communication team member edema NPP amanyoko no
yere asede ma Universal Natural Clinic o se men kan cho se odom pese mututuo emudwa wo se de yesi ye obia mesofo ne che Universal Natural Clinic ne yemfa duro enkan yankase abibi duro ya yede suru wisa fo mi sa hwentia ne akakeduro kakra yede awono no ene yede tutu eye honam tutuo no a ababetre ne padua no mo de afri ho no mo eba na siatica no mo nyina Universal Natural Clinic eye ho adwuma pa Mr. Stroke no dia ye obia yese fabra ne enye ho adwuma ma o ye de no ye yam watene nya manfo no mo dia woseyan masaw ya de so wuntimi nante masaw ya de so no kasa no entimi emma papa bia ye saw ya de no a ye sa amana fefe kofi wabra ekabia emma ho Universal Natural Clinic wansam de ye kade kire wo no eba ne typhoid no mu nyina hepatitis B C D nyina no ye ho adwuma stomach ulcer ye fu ya de bia enfo ne nkyere bia say Universal Natural Clinic na o se wo ba ye watonso esli ye bebo nsuo mu honomo ene ye ninkomo wo 020 0158-272 020-0158-272 and a 0556-22 4102 0556 224102 na fe 3A Herbal Center se men kan kire se the 3A cool capsules na bedwa so a Food and Drugs Authority mpanyimfo agye atomo mesi koko no se fifiri woto baby bia fifiri wo bia etoda kra no a ebitimi fifiri wanim saa obon se dot bi aba besisi wanim wo ye nipa tuntum a na ma otuntum na nhyeda nyefe bia saa wo ye kokko so a na se dark spot bi aba besisi mu ne nyina eye koko mesre okope 3A co capsule so ye drone bi na efa ye adwuma na abedi ho adanse etimi gya osisi yade pa emedu ba bi a mrekuo ma no wuyi a enyi 3A co capsules be ye adwuma ne dia ma etoda so ase wasum wo de niema do chiri wasum saa na ho ye frem wonya 3A co capsules a be ye adwuma no e de ama medical culture say Food and Drugs Authority mpanyimfo agye atum ye de we so no enya amanfo kokwaduro no a onum ya yesi wontimi mpie na aka wo na se wudi toilet so ahyemfire akonia be ne de be ye de agentre e wo yam obetimi anom na de akọ adwuma obetimi anom na de akọ bia wabra oyam enkokan bia 3A co capsule so upe bia to atone a Mr. Offer number is here 0546 107107 0546 107107 way 3A co capsule so and after mizo ne 5G yeguso ayere no 5G ndie medical catch say e ma vim ma de adwuma bia bi so ye driver ni so ye metie wo ye teacher ni wo ye nsemtweni he wo ye mbesi wo ye carpenter ye be ma energy vim ama wo de ye adwuma ye 5G wo ya mizo no sa wo ye wedding wo ye wo to bedding wo ye birthday party ti se nyankopon ya adom a Sunday ye be ye kuku a birthday na de ye chejwada ye meyire ohini ni so birthday mizo ena me de self wonum me de timanim ba kope mizo ene ye de kwa abusua pebina nonom eye kama se yamfa kase ne nsi anakwabna yamfa si okay na yenkoma kofuri ene na pamfo akoba awura ha wo emesomu nto aso ye ne yeso manwumre nana ya abo amalibi aboga nwumre mene
nana kwabena kese
asidan koma production team ebo echido manwumre Rocky DJ ene de call television no so ma ewiase nyina etimi hwe bie etie bie kuku Veronica Jando ne chinchin fidie ne de ma yen ya Grace akoso asomu aba abedu ene keka ne emasi ani e ma asante ebo Benedict so tenase etwe pensi hu a de bema mode ma afrosoro ha se nyina no we yi firi mu e de ma yen ye sorry e ma kofuri na pamfo tenase asem de mpe ni pada o kwabrane e de no ho beba kuoba simpremu bema mi kwedie na yese mi papa Bishop Justice Ajibendia Christ Healing Chapel so for penny me manajo bema ba ko pe eno no bema ba ko pe eno no